prettiest sight to see is the prospects that will be at Cardinals Caravan. We'll put Wilson at first, third base might be cursed, but we've still got Donnie and Wynn. Couldn't let Lance Lynn stay, but there's still Sonny Gray, and we might see Tink, Hens, and Quinn. And all the fans are asking, when will they be good again? It's beginning to look a lot like a rebuild, though they just won't say. Even if we keep Helsley's heat, 90 wins would be a feat, and the Cubs got Kyle Tucker, by the way. It's beginning to look a lot like a rebuild. Soon the season will start, and the thing that'll really sting as you hope for that 12th ring, they'll just break your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like a rebuild till the bitter end. And the most brutal sight to see is all that this team could be if they'd only spend. It's a rebuild, my friend.